I'm a graphic designer at Ingram Micro, and my day consists of a lot of illustrations, photo editing, and creating graphics for Ingram Micro's marketing department. Yeah, I really like the Zbook X2. It's really powerful. I like the touch screen on it, and the quick keys are really handy. I like setting them up so I can quickly undo and redo any changes that I make to graphics without needing the keyboard attached. I can plug straight from my camera using the SD card reader into the laptop and then just start drawing on the screen. The pen's really handy for doing photoshopping and lightrooming. It's really good being able to use the full Adobe suite on this device. It's really powerful, so you can use Photoshop and Illustrator and everything that you need on it. Having the 4K display enables you to really zoom in and see all the details without necessarily having to take up all the real estate that you would otherwise have. HP Zbook X2 is really different to a traditional laptop that I've used. Being able to detach the keyboard and leave the screen up at eye view while being able to type naturally as if you were on like a full desktop. I've always believed there is no limit to creation, and the HP Zbook X2 helps me realize that.